Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn, in this session we are going to see how to set the static IP address for the Raspberry Pi 4 WLAN interface. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and just let's start. So friends, we are going to see how to set the static IP address right now. Okay, right now if I open the terminal and we need to run the command IP space r space pipe, then we are going to use the grep command and default and just hit enter. As you can see right now, this is the router IP address 192.168.0.1, and this is what our WLAN interface means. This is what the IP address of our Raspberry Pi 4. If I run the ifconfig command here, as you can see 192.168.0.105, this is what the IP address of our Raspberry Pi 4. WLAN 0 means our Wi-Fi interface, and this is the IP address which provided by router, and this is the dynamic IP address. Dynamic means it is always being changed because it's work with the DHCP configuration. Okay, so it's always changed. So how to set the static IP address for the Raspberry Pi 4 or in any Linux distribution, you can say. So because suppose if you configure any application on the Raspberry Pi 4, in that case you need a static IP address for the Raspberry Pi 4 WLAN interface, or maybe ETH0 interface. Okay, so simply we are going to see these things. So right now the main thing is what the gateway is, basically the 192.168.0.1. this is what our gateway, the router gateway. Okay, so clear the screen, and we are going to go inside the dhcpcd.conf file. So sudo nano /etc, then dhcpcd.conf. this is what our file. Just edit with the nano editor, or you can go with the vim editor. So we are now inside the /etc/dhcpcd.conf file, and we need to come at the end of the file, come to the at the end, and here simply we need to copy these three lines, start from the static and end at the name server. So copy and just paste at the end, and first uncomment this line, just remove the hash from the front of these lines, and we need to mention the interface which we want to set for the static IP address. So interface is WLAN 0. So how to know the interface? If I go here, another tab, of course if config command, hit enter, if config, and as you can see this is what the interface, WLAN 0. Okay, so you need to first check the interface. If you want to go with the ETH0, means our LAN interface, so you need to set the interface is basically ETH0. We are going to set right now for the WLAN 0, so means Wi-Fi interface. So I am going to mention the interface name WLAN 0. So interface WLAN 0. Okay, then the static IP address means the IP address which we want to set for the WLAN interface. So we need to mention, so the range go with 0, because as I told you the router gateway is 192.168.0.1. so we need to mention the IP address in that particular range, 0 dot, and then go for with 255. Okay, so I'm going to mention like this way, 192.168.0 dot let's say 18. In your case, of course, you need to first know the router gateway. I have already mentioned here how you know the gateway. So IP space r grep default and hit enter. Just a minute, not to like this way, grep. Okay, so this is what the command, and as you can see this is what our router gateway. So I need to mention the IP address in that particular range, 0.1 means 0.255. I can mention in between this range IP address. Suppose in your case it may be 192.168.1.1, so you need to mention the IP address 192.168.1. Range between 255. Okay, so That's why I have mentioned 192.168.0.18. Simply now the gateway is of course 0.1, and a domain name server I am going to mention here our Google DNS. So 8.8.8.8, that's it. We have set the static IP address for our Raspberry Pi 4. So Ctrl X, Y, enter and save it. Right now the IP address is 105. Now we need to restart our Raspberry Pi 4. So I am going to restart the Raspberry Pi 4. Okay friends. So friends, I have reboot our Raspberry Pi 4. Now if I open the terminal and run the ifconfig command, ifconfig, and just hit enter, as you can see the IP address is changed. Now this is what the static IP address. Okay, so 192.168.0.105 IP address is basically our DHCP address. Now the IP address is static because I have set with the 18, means 192.168.0.18. this is what the static IP address. So this is the way friends you can set the static IP address for your Raspberry Pi 4. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.